Cathedral is a particular word. It's very abstract, but I think that each element actually you can visualize and you are familiar with. But just the combination of props, of the situations that are happening on stage are in combination very abstract. Yeah, it's a particular word. We are not humans. We are kind of the androids that want to be human. I believe that actually you don't need to know anything to come and enjoy. The pictures are so strong that I think you can really clearly see what's happening, and you can interpret in your own way, of course. But yeah, dance is not a story itself. Dance is just a tool to guide you through the whole performance. The strongest is just a focus on the images that we are projecting. My favorite scene is Spiegel, so the mannequin duet. I think it's a beautiful, magical image, also the most famous piece of music of Wagrodzki. So I hope that it also projects to the audience that it's very intimate, very delicate, yeah, strange feeling of having two mannequins performing live with this beautiful music.